I wanted to hop on here real quickly because I woke up this morning as you did, and I saw that the CPI numbers came in and they are lower than anticipated. They came in at 3%. It was anticipated they would come in at 3.1%, and the market is ripping that in combination with the fact that the Fed, because of these inflation numbers and because of some of the dovish positioning the Fed has been putting out in the market lately, it's expected the Fed is going to cut rates next week, and that's going to put more fuel on this stock market fire. And so if you are speculating and looking to make money, as I am, if you saw my video about silver and Intel stock, they're both up pretty significantly since that video. Silver, for example, was up 25%, and that was just a couple of weeks ago. There is money to be made, but I stress and emphasize and implore you to exercise a healthy portion of caution and deference when you're working in this market or speculating in this market, because it's giving 1970s and maybe even 1920s vibes where it's up and everyone's excited and everyone is in the market and everyone is speculating until there's that one big day. There's some kind of catalyst, there's some kind of black swan. Something happens that shocks, that scares the markets, and all of a sudden a lot of people lose a ton of money. So be very careful in this market. If you are speculating, make sure to do diligent research in whatever stock picks you're looking into, because the price to earnings ratio of a lot of these companies is way overvalued. The value of the stock market overall is concentrated in a small portion of companies. So you have a small portion of companies that are overvalued, where 80 to 90% of the value of the entire stock market is concentrated in these companies. It would not take much to bring this house of cards down if that small percentage of companies sustain some kind of shock. It won't take a lot, just a small shock, a small, maybe even not even a black swan, a gray swan, and things could turn ugly really quickly. So be careful out there. Even though things are surging and a lot seems to be looking good in the market, it only takes that long and things could turn around. So be careful out there. Happy hunting.